Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today we're looking at an iterative method exam question. This question is from the winter 2014 paper by the wjec exam board. It's question 5 if you need to know. Basically this question gives 5 marks, and it's just an example of an exam question that is pretty normal exam question. It's not hard, it's not easy, but so yeah, I'm gonna go through it and tell you and show you what to do and like how to do it. So I've kind of just shortened this question down just to save me some time, and show you the key elements that the question says. It says that there's a root with this question, this equation, x cubed plus 7x squared minus 3 between 0 and 1. And then it shows us the recurrence relation, which is this, so that new x is equal to root 3 over the old x plus 7. It tells us that the x0 is 1, and it tells us that we need to find x1 to x4, and also we need to find x4 to 5 decimal places, and show that this is the correct value of alpha to 5 decimal places. So the first thing we need to do is find x1. And this bit is a bit repetitive, but I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, just in case you don't know. Get your calculator, and we need to use this recurrence relation to find the new x. So the old x is x0, which is 1, plus 7, and as you can see, try and show you, we have root 3 over basically 8, and then press the SD button to get all these decimal places. And now we can just write that what we have down in our calculator: 0.6123724. That's enough. We don't really need more because we only need up to 5 decimal places, but let's just go over just in case we need it. Then we do exactly the same as for x2, except we change the 1 in our calculator to x1 here, so it'll be 0.612374, and then press equals, and then we get a new number, and that's x2. So 0.62777008. Oh, I kind of overdid it, but let's just cut out some. Oh, there you go. Right, and then we need x3. So just change the number in your calculator again to our new number. And we get 0.62713661. Now we need x4, and then we do exactly the same again. Very repetitive. And then we get 0.627162. Now we need to write this to 5 decimal places. We basically found all of them. We need to do this last bit, which is find x4 to 5 decimal places. So that's easy. It's equal 0.627162 dp decimal places. And then the very last bit, it says show that this is the correct value of alpha, our root, to 5 decimal places. So what we do now is we use I did a video on this. We did but basically fx is equal to x cubed plus 7 x squared minus 3. We use f 0.62716. We add 5 on, and then we for the other one, we're basically making our boundaries, and if this is our true root, or if there is a sign change for these answers, that means the root is in between. And as you see, we have 6 decimal places, and if it's between them, it has to be rounded. If it was rounded to 5 decimal places, it would be exactly this. So yeah, so we create our boundaries, 155. As you can see, now this is equal to, we just put this in. So this is x, we put this in, and we should get, let me just put this in my calculator. So 0.627165 to the power 3 plus 7 multiplied by 0.627165 squared minus 3, and now that is equal to 3.81 times 10 to the minus 5. And now we need to change to 5 instead of 6.5. And then we get minus 6.15 times 10 to the minus 5. Oh, I'm gonna sneeze, but I'm not. But I have a tingle. Anyway, right. So basically, what this means is that there's a sign change, and the reason why there's a sign change is because the root is in between these two numbers. And if it's in between these two numbers, that means that if the root to 5 decimal places is equal to this, and that is all we need to do. We'll just, no, wait, it's not, I lied. We need to write something. So sign change shows that, it's a W, that this is correct. You just need to note on it. You'd have to sign change. Wait, what have I put? Sign change shows that this is correct value of alpha to 5 small places. That's all you need to put, and that is 5 marks. So yeah, quite an easy question. All you need to know is how to show that this is the correct. That's probably the hardest part. Iterating is easy, but yeah, you just gotta know this method. I did a video on it that goes over it more clearly, but yeah, that's everything. Yeah, so thank you for watching.